Some mornings you don't need a reason to go, you just need a boat that can get there first. This is the Azimut Grande 27M built in Pesaro. Carbon in the structure, not just the marketing copy. What that means on the water is a lighter yacht that responds faster, sits better in a chop, and gets you to the anchorage while the other boats are still loading the tender. 28 knots. At that speed, this hull has a different relationship with the water. You're past the inlet and running open ocean before most people finish breakfast. The run is the point, not just the destination. The owner suite spans the full beam of the yacht, both sides. 87 feet of platform with a foredeck that gets you close to the water and a swim platform that puts you in it. This boat lives at anchor as well as it runs. 4 things make this day yours. The carbon build means less hull in the water and more speed for the fuel. The full beam suite means a proper night aboard, not a compromise. Plenty of room for 10 guests and the gear to keep everyone on the water from sunrise through sunset. And at 28 knots, every anchorage on the chart is within reach before the afternoon weather builds. This is a boat that earns its keep the moment you cast off. 4 guest cabins plus the suite, space for the right crew, not a crowd. The interior by Salvani Architetti keeps it calm and editorial. But the best view is always outside. On a boat this fast, you can afford to be somewhere different every night. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.